Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Civic cabin air filter. First, clear everything out of your glove box to make space. Next, ensure you have your new filter ready and any simple tools you might need. Always park your car on a flat, safe surface before starting any maintenance. This quick guide will help you breathe cleaner air in your car. Now, open your glove box fully and carefully detach the small damper arm on the right side. Then, gently squeeze the sides of the glove box inward to release its lower hinges, allowing it to drop down further. With the glove box out of the way, you'll see the filter housing. Unclip its cover to expose the old cabin air filter. Before removing the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper installation. Carefully slide out the old filter, then insert your new one, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the filter housing cover back into place, ensuring it's secure. To finish up, lift the glove box back into position and reattach the damper arm. Gently push the sides inward again to align the lower hinges and snap it back into place. Give it a quick test to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. Regular filter changes improve air quality significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.